What's good, y'all? It's your boy Zay, and we back with another video. And look, man, you can see we in the crib today. Outside is wet, it's cold, it's raining, and nobody want to record in those conditions. So, well, actually I had different videos scheduled or planned for this week, but what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to replace the key fob battery, because bro, every time I get in the car, all it say is battery low, battery low, battery low. I'm tired of seeing that. So let's go ahead and do this today. First things first, what you're gonna need is the batteries, and you're gonna need these 2032 batteries right here, the small round ones. I only got the 2-pack because you really only need one. And yeah, you can find these anywhere that carries, a good variety of batteries. I got mine from Target. But yeah, let's get into it. First thing you're gonna want to do here is take the key off. You can use this part right there. Slide it back, take the key out. And as you can see, you slide the key right here in these two parts. That's what you're gonna do to break it up. Break it open, tap it right there. Then you just turn it. There you go, pop it off, nice and easy. God, I ain't trying to break it, but pop it off nice and easy, and that's what it should look like. And right here, as you can see, you see the positive sign in the words. That's how you know it's facing the right way. That's the way you want to put it in the battery. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop it out real fast. Ooh, hold on now. And this is one thing you're gonna need to watch out for. When you take the battery out, you don't want to take this whole thing out because these gonna fall all over the place. And you want to keep these lined up because it's just tedious if they fall out. So yeah. There we go. Got the battery out, and this is what the bag look like. So yeah, let's go ahead and open these real fast. Hey, you won't even get up out of there, bro. Alright, so y'all, I finally got the battery out, and that's what the front side will look like. So just put it in like so, like this right there. Make sure all these still in place. Then you're just gonna pop this side right back on. And there you go, nice and easy. This was a short little video, just how to replace the battery in your key fob. And of course, you want to make sure everything works after that. So yeah, it's been a short little video with your boy Zay. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'm gone. But before I go, I'm trying to test out something new. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this footage one I got from the last video I was recording, and it's gonna work as a little preview. So yeah, it's your boy Zay. I'm going for real this time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Drop what you want to see in the comments, man. I'm gone. You know what's crazy? After recording this video, this junk is not working, bro. That is disgusting. So we gonna have to change that.